Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about the different Office 365 applications and how you can integrate them with your daily workflow. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks for navigating your SharePoint portal and how you can use Teams to navigate your SharePoint sites and files. If you are actively using SharePoint to manage your sites, organize your teams, and collaborate with your coworkers, you can also integrate your Teams application to effectively communicate with each other and utilize the file sharing between SharePoint and Teams. Teams is tightly integrated with SharePoint through the Office 365 groups that you create. For example, when you create a Microsoft Teams team, it syncs with other Office 365 applications that you have and simultaneously creates a SharePoint site. In our Teams application, we have created a new team called All Staff, and we have created different channels within this All Staff team named General, Fun Stuff, and Announcements. All information created, shared, and saved within these channels are also syncing with your SharePoint site. You can see this site by logging into your SharePoint account and locating your different sites. Here, we can see that the team All Staff that we just referenced is on your homepage. Click on the team site and it will open its SharePoint page. From this dashboard, you can navigate to the different conversations that have happened through Teams, look at the documents that you have uploaded to this team, open a OneNote notebook that you have created for this team, and more. One important function of the sync between SharePoint and Teams is the file sharing that you can do between the two applications. To access your documents in SharePoint, navigate to your desired site and click on the Documents tab on the left-hand side. This will relocate you to a page that has your different team channels organized by folders. Select your desired channel and it will open all files that you have saved. From here, you can create a new file, upload a file, folder, or template, enter a quick edit window, which allows you to quickly rename your files and folders, share the selected files or folders by sending an email or copying a direct link, sync your files, download your files to your computer, export the files listed to an Excel sheet, manage your apps, and other customizing options. One of the most important options to note on this toolbar is the Sync button. If you select this button, you will be able to create a shortcut in your File Explorer that will sync the selected folder. This gives you quick access to these files instead of navigating through the SharePoint application. If you open, edit, delete, or move these files from your File Explorer, all the changes will be synced with your SharePoint and Teams account. This makes managing your files much easier and intuitive. You can also sync these files directly from your Teams application. To access the files in Teams, open your desired team and channel and click on the Files tab. This will redirect you to your files, and from here, you can create a new document, upload a document, sync the files to your computer, just like you would within SharePoint, create a link to share this folder with others, add the folder to a cloud storage, and you can also directly open these folders in SharePoint. Click on this option, and it will redirect you to the SharePoint site created by Office 365 from your Teams page, the same page that we opened just a minute ago. If you have a SharePoint site that was not created in Teams, you can create a new team by going to the site homepage in SharePoint and clicking on the option in the bottom left-hand corner that says Create a Team. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can best utilize SharePoint and Teams for managing your files and sites. If you have any questions or you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.